Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. I'm back to show you my another special kit. Only have one set because this is the crochet kit. It's a big kit, so only have one. So if interested, just PM me. So I will show you what inside the kit. Okay, and yeah, I make it is a TILDA theme with the TILDA images. You can see. Okay, this is the crochet basket. It's a round one, and let's see, I just put here. Actually, yeah, you can pick up. And the back I cover with felt with and print this fabric, so you can alter this. So, and I also provide some of the item is by hand crochet and some is not. Okay, anyway, I show you all. Okay, and this all the image I actually glue together with the felt. So this one, and this color, and this image, and so provide the cream color, Doily, another one, and this, and the big piece here, and also this. Okay, and the basket already put this like a netting plastic, so you can, it's quite stiff. Okay, so only have one. Yeah, if no one to interested this one I will keep all this for myself. Anyway, yeah, see who interested. If no one yeah interested, then I will keep all this for myself because only one is limited edition for Miss Garden Groove 1. And now I show you. You will have these two. So his hand dye color, you can see is very pale pink and blue, so I want to match the kit. Okay, and this one also hand dye is the polka dots lace, and this is the white, is original. I hand dye this very pale blue to match with this kit, and also I collect all these beautiful. Let me to show you one by one, and I think it is matched with this theme so well, this color. So let me show you. Okay, so look at this, all in one yard, and this pattern, beautiful, lovely. And I also have this, and this, and this one is a heart shape, and this tiny flower, or this beautiful. Okay, and also one of these like a yarn trim, Okay, and I also include this fluffy fiber, yeah, this yarn. Okay, and I use this to make one cute little tassel here. Okay, so cute, this one. And I also include this pom-pom trim. It's matched this so well. And hold on a second, I also have some, I forget to put in, and I think I will include some of these pom-pom. I think this measure, I think it's enough. Yeah, enough, it's okay. All this, okay. And now I show you some of the in my collection. This, I remember I have this into my another kit, as past kit, yeah, and with embroidered flower. And I also hand dyed of this with the tiny Doily. You can use this to make the flower, the to each, okay. And I also have some extra image for you, so you can use all these to add in your book, okay. And this is matched so well, so I put this all in. You can see it. I collect all these so cute fabric doll. This one, and this is the front. Another one, so super cute. This is like cooking or what? No, doing facial, I think. So cute. And little last tiny teddy bear in my my stash. So I include all this. Super cute kit. This is, remember, this is one of my friend, yeah, crochet for me, to me. I forget who, maybe it's real name, but I think this is matched with this kit so well, so I put this into this kit. It's so beautiful. Yeah, like I say, yeah, if no one too interested this kit, I will keep this for myself, because it's all is my lovely my for my stash. And yeah, this is so beautiful. How to crochet this? I think I will have to learn this. Fluffy flower, and this is match this so well, so I put this in. Yeah, hope you don't mind who send me this, because this with this kit is so matching. So I will put this in. So beautiful. And some more item here. And this is not made to crochet, but I also, yeah, put all this here. This is, you can see the tangle. It's so beautiful. And yeah, this is my crochet flower. I put this in, and this is the small one. Beautiful, right? And also have some of the small this and all this mix, and this my crochet one. Some of this is my crochet flower, so I include some of this. Peach color, beautiful. Yo, so yeah, this is the kit, and only have one. And yeah, if you're interested, just PM me. I will let you know the price and the shipping. And yeah, I will back again for another kit that I made. Yeah, and only, yeah, all is just small quantity. Yeah, anyway, thanks again for stopping by, and thanks for your support, and everyone be happy and stay safe.